Hey everybody, this is Hunter at Twin Pine Ford, and today I'm going to show you a couple of pro tips on the door keypad here. This is my 2023 Ford Maverick, but these rules will apply to all Fords with the keypad. So as you can see, my door is unlocked. To lock my door quickly, I'm going to push the 7890 buttons simultaneously. That will lock my door, and then to unlock it, I'm going to punch in my code. And that's going to unlock one door. And then if you want to unlock all of the doors, you just push 3-4 right after you enter your code. So let me lock them all. Front door, back door is locked. So then you push 3-4 really quickly, and that will unlock all 4 doors. If you don't push the 3-4 really quickly after you enter your code, it's only going to unlock the driver's side door. So there's a couple of pro tips for your Ford keypads that'll give you some ease of use with your keyless entry.
PA's #1 Ford store, Twin Pine Ford.